Welcome, it's Maria from the Sweet Karma Bar. And don't mind the screaming, the girls are playing some games and it sounds like it's getting pretty intense. Okay, so today's video is going to be more of like a laid back vibe and not as polished as like the final videos when I show you like a final product and every step it took to get there. So, because there are times when we are in between many projects. So times like now, which is very, very exciting. We have a few designs that are very in their concept. They are basically drafted. I have to tweak a few things. So I'll just tell you what we're working on and then I'm kind of gonna bring you along for the journey. And then if you have any tips, like please, for the love of God, color suggestions, anything, leave them below for me because I can get stuck over analyzing things for a long time. Okay, so first, next window I have, which is on my drafting table right now, is Luna Moth. In the middle of her body is also going to be with the mosaic fuzzy 3D texture, but her wings are going to be like stained glass. Like maybe we could do botanicals in them, like pressed flowers and stuff. I don't know. What do you think? I really don't know. So help me out. And with her, we're going to have honeycomb because I kind of put honeycomb in like everything. And then she's also going to have these like beautiful glassy raindrops like raining down and it's going to be beautiful. And if you've seen my lemon tree window that I made for myself, because I never make anything for myself. It's my first window that I made. I actually have it installed as a window, so it's a pretty big deal. And I love her. Maybe I can like add a picture. I do have behind the scenes on how she was made. So if you want to see like the process, let me know because I'm so proud of her. She has the lemon tree. She has glass raindrops, honeycomb, all of it. Okay, so yeah. So the Luna Moth, we're gonna start that. And then we have a big compass window as well, which is up for another day. But so yeah, come with me. Enjoy the video. Please leave any likes, love, anything, and let's go.
Okay guys, so here we go. I am so excited. This girl is just so pretty. I decided to go with kind of like a long rectangle style window. She has a beautiful archway. Right now I'm just laying down all the symmetrical pieces. So the archway, beautiful moon phase, and then I decided to do some stripes in the night sky area where the moon phases are. And then of course the Luna Moth is going to be symmetrical as well. And the glass. Oh, the glass choices. I'm so excited because I just could not decide. So please help me. This glass is gorgeous. I can't decide. Do we do just all one glass color? Because this obviously has like many colors. Or do we go with like a darker color? You know, translucent? Do we do opaque? I mean, we just don't know. So please give me some suggestions. Look at this bubbly girl. I mean, should we just mix them together and she'll just be all different tones of green? Oh, this girl, she's like mottled. She has some yellows in her. So as you can see, the decision is difficult. We could also add other colors in there besides just having her be green. So please let me know. But I did make a decision, thankfully, on the yellow glass. I decided to go with this beautiful iridescent, very like holographic iridescent, opaque glass, and she's got a little texture on the back of her, and I think this is going to really pop because the background, the night sky, I think we're going to go with translucent glass, so that will be really bright and kind of see-through, and then you'll have these like pops of bright yellow moons. Now it's like, what do we do the night sky? What do we do those stripes? Do we go with purples? Do we go with blues, greens? In the end, we decided to go with two tones of purple. Two very dark, deep, grapey purples. Okay, let's get our glass drops, our little stars, if you will. So I love using these little dewy drops. I love using them for like a water effect on a lot of my sun catchers and such, but today we are making stars. So I did not want them to just be circular, clear glass drops everywhere, so I decided to go with a very almondy eye shape cut out. Makes them look like they have movement, like they're almost like raining down. I love the effect it gives instead of just tracing around the full little bubble. See, it's starting to come together. She looks a little crazy right now, but I promise when she's all filled in, it's gonna be gorgeous. Now that everything is all symmetrical, that's all laid out. This is a very freestyle window. I'm just going to freestyle the design as we go. So I decided on these beautiful kind of vintagey looking clouds. We're going to go with 3 because everything so far is symmetrical on this piece. So this will kind of break that up and really make her look more detailed, more like a scene, and I'm just here for it. And I could not decide, what do we make the clouds? I was stumped between that frosted iridescent glass, but I ended up choosing a really wispy white and clear glass because I love the striations in the wispiness, and I made sure to kind of draw the pattern in the same direction so it shows like movement. So all the clouds, they'll look different, they'll be different sizes and different backgrounds like of the wispiness, but it's all going in the same direction, so it'll really give the feel that the clouds are floating by. And the worst thing happens. I just break the tip of her beautiful little cloud off. I was so bummed because I'm very I pay attention to the details of the pattern on the glass, so I fell in love with exactly where that cloud was on the glass, so I was bummed out, but it's okay. It happens to the best of us, and we just move on. That is the end of today's Glass Diaries. Tomorrow is a new day. We are going to figure out the background, freehand some beautiful things. Please leave your suggestions on this window. I always love a good collaboration with you guys. Leave all the love. Like, comment, subscribe, all the things, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.